Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming back again with another video, and today I have some Spin Master Monster Jam trucks to unbox for you guys. So I went to a Target in Wisconsin today, and I found some new Spin Master Monster Jam stuff. I found all three of the Mix 2 Monster Jam Creatures packs. Obviously, if you don't know what those are, it's 164. It's exclusive 164 scale Monster Jam trucks, and they come with these figurines that are supposed to be the mascots of the truck. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the review. I'm gonna go from least favorite to favorite for this review. So, we are gonna start with the Gravedigger with a Grim. Here is Gravedigger and Grim. So what's obviously different on Grim is that this is more of a pearlescent color for his cape, and different colored flames on his legs. So they used a different paint color for Grim. And then the Gravedigger from the Mix 1 had like a purple paint job with the Grim face on the side. They decided to use the regular Gravedigger paint scheme. I don't know why, but obviously they did put some new stuff on this Gravedigger. So it's got a pearlescent purple drive shaft and pearlescent purple rims, which I think look pretty cool. I mean, I wish they could have done, stuck with the black paint scheme, but do the Grim face on the side, but it's okay. I mean, I do like the purple rims and the purple drive shaft. So yeah. And then the next one we're gonna look at is Maximus and Max D, which the duo is now in gold. Alright, so here is Maximus with his new gold armor. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah. Then here is the truck. So it's got a new gold drive shaft. And the gold rims look a little bit brighter on this one. And I think they improved the graphics quality on this one. I mean, yeah, they made the graphics quality a little clearer. And the other new thing that they added, it says 12-time champion this time. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then the final pack, which is my favorite of the mix, Scrap with the brand new Son of a Digger with the new blue paint job. Alright, so here is Scrap, the mascot of Son of a Digger. He looks very awesome. He looks like a skeleton punk rocker. Whoops, camera fell. Here is the brand new Son of a Digger with the brand new blue paint job. Looks very awesome. I love this new scheme that they gave Son of a Digger. So you got the front headlights, grill printed in, full flame wrapping. I really love that blue color. It looks dark blue on my camera, but it's actually a lighter blue in person. There's the junkyard scene on both sides, gray chassis, blue roll cage, and blue rims, of course. Yeah, very cool. Yep, so that is Mix 2 of the Spin Master Monster Jam Creatures line. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, ring the bell for post notifications so you don't miss a new video. because almost every single day I will basically post new content. So yeah, be sure to, check out my channel and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Peace out, guys.